Go back home to mommy. Go back home. Go back home to mommy. Go back home. That looks like he's 15 years old. What's going on here? What's going on? I take him back home to mom. She'll lock him in his bedroom. So folks, here's what happens. I will call up Karen, the president. I guess I have to do it myself. I know it's not. Thank you for the warning. I was ready for him, but it's much easier if the cops do it. Don't worry.